Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make the squishy and viral glitter dumpling in Dress to Impress. So for the items, you will need this afro hair. I'm just gathering everything right now, and then this hat over here. Then we're going to, go to the dressing rooms, and we are going to grab this hat from the winter collection. It is unfortunately VIP. I'll just tell you guys that right now. And you are going to also go to the cultural collection to get the hat here as well. And then also you will need the Octopus Squishy that you can get from the Buddy Pass. All right, so these are the colors and the adjustments that I used. For this beret hat, position the Y to 0.14, Z to 0.24. Rotate the X to 0.52 and scale it down to 0.37. For the hair, you are going to position the Y at 0.28, Z to 0.33. Rotate the X to 0.43 and scale it all the way to 0. Make sure you use the glitter pattern and color it to whatever color you want your squishy to be. For the octopus one, no need for adjustments, you just need to color it the same as the hair. For this hat, I also colored it this color, FDC38F. Position the X to 0.58, Y 0.23, Z 0.25. Rotate the X to 0.57, Y 0.58, Z to 0.44, and scale it to 0.38. Last but not least, we have this one, color it the same as the other hats. Position the Y to 0.19, Z 0.24. Rotate the X to 0.52, Y to 0.51, and scale it to 0.66. And to squish it, just press this button. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.